Hi, this is Yami Gautam,
Hi, this is Vicky Kaushal.
and you're watching us on
Bollywood Hangama.
We have with us Yami Gautam and Vicky Kaushal. Their movie is coming up, Uri, and we'll talk about the movie. Like having you guys back on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you, Faridun.
And how significant is this movie for you?
very important beyond just being an actor. I think there are certain films in your filmography when you look back, which you always associate with just beyond the success of it. I'm assuming I'm saying a bit too much, but however it's received otherwise, but with respect, with honor, with a privilege and with an opportunity. And Uri will be one of those films for me because any which way there are not many war-based or patriotism-infused films that we see in our industry. And something like this, after a long time, and as it said in the trailer, ये नया हिंदुस्तान है. So नए हिंदुस्तान की एक नई आर्मी-बेस्ड एक patriotism से inspired कहानी है. तो really extremely proud to be part of Uri.
I think Army has done amazingly well even before as well. 71 is there and 99 is there, 65 as well. Even 47, 48 when things started. Okay, now how significant is Uri for you, considering that there's so much of speculation around the film. You have been associated with films primarily which have to deal with entertainment. Now this is a burning issue. Almost anyone and everyone has an opinion about it, and it's an election year. How different is Uri in that context from your other films?
I don't think उसका election से कोई लेना देना है हमारी फिल्म का. हमने like I'm sure Aditya or Ronnie Screwvala never thought about elections and then started.
I'm not saying from that perspective, but in terms of the opinion making, the way it happens, people tend to have their own opinion as well.
But that's fine. That's the job of any art form. कि हम कुछ create करें and उस पे opinions हो, good, bad, ugly, सब जायज़ है. तो opinions are great. एक discussion अगर वो initiate करता है तो that's great. I think it's important to acknowledge the valor, the sacrifice, the courage of our Indian armed forces, जो कई बार अपने हमारे जद्दोजहद में, हमारे निजी ज़िंदगी में, भाग दौड़ में वो सब रह जाता है. And all they want is just our acknowledgement, our appreciation towards them, and they're willing to just stand before us to take the bullet for us, you know. And it's our little tribute for the Indian Armed Forces. Of course, we're depicting a true story which has just happened, and we, as a citizen of this country, we are affected by it, you know, in a bad way when the Uri attack happened, and when in a good way when the surgical strike happened, when we got to know that the Indian Army responded to terrorism, you know, in a lethal way. So it's an episode which is fresh in all our minds, but more so it is just a tribute to the Indian Armed Forces.
What is the sort of training that you went through for this movie?
My character didn't require me to train physically.
Okay.
It was more of to prep mentally and more at emotional level, and to understand the importance of when we talk about how a character is led, how the character is written, and to actually understand in its depth. That was very essential for my character because बहुत सारे references नहीं थे मेरे पास इस character को लेके या इस तरह से अगर किसी ने role निभाया हो. बहुत सारी फिल्में नहीं थी, so I couldn't rely on them. I have never met an intelligence officer in my life, but I had some anecdotes from Aditya when we were doing a workshop, so about his experiences meeting with, for example, Mr. Ajit Doval, and there were some really unusual ones, you know, which I'll never forget. Whatever little I know, of course, it has to be classified otherwise. So, our director Aditya said a very important thing that, you know, rather than looking externally, you gotta believe internally that that's where your character will come from. You need to rely on your instinct, you need to rely on yourself, and you really need to create, and that's a good thing rather, you don't have any references because you can create something which has never happened before. You make your own, the character, you make her story of her own, you think, so even while I'm saying maybe 2 lines, but what is constantly going on, this much I can definitely say, especially from intelligence officer's perspective. It's not just what you're listening, what they're saying. They're constantly, their mind is working with ideas, or they're always working. It's always on. They're always thinking something. But all that is internal. It's nothing that आपको दिखाना है कि अच्छा मैं कुछ सोच रही हूँ. आप शायद plain शायद blank देख रहे हैं, but फिर भी वो एक सोच के साथ है. So to create that kind of a balance and without making it look forced, without making it look, oh, I'm trying too hard to, to portray myself as an officer, and be as natural as perhaps you and me are sitting right now and having a conversation, and yet doing our work. So that effortless has to be, and for that you need to really understand, read the script, understand and ask questions, and sometimes answer them also, for yourself, because after some time, I think that's what you were sharing yesterday. They said they're your characters now. It's all over to you guys, how you want to, what expression you get out of them about basis on what you've understood, what I've written. So I thought, for me, this was a very different experience for the first time. And but this is also something I'll take away from next film onwards, that I do, to rely a lot on your instinct.
All right, what sort of physical training you went through? I believe that you've lost those muscles now, maybe for your next film, but you really bulked up.
I did. I gained about 15 kilos for the part. But वो एक बहुत ही surface level तैयारी थी to gain and to look like Major Vihan Shergill. It was hard. It was tough for me because I don't easily gain weight. So it was tough for me, but that was taken care of, and that was the least concern for me, because physically आप दिख जाओ, पर वो in and out आप जब तक character नहीं लगोगे तब तक वो मज़ा नहीं आएगा. So it was about becoming that military commando who can command his troop of 80 commandos to go there and do the strike. He has to have that attitude even when he's not wearing a uniform. My goal was to look an army guy even when I'm wearing casuals, So उसके लिए बहुत सारी training गई. पहले एक boot camp training थी, which was for about 2 months, where we were trained by somebody who was trained by the Black Cats, which was very, very tough. It was me along with 20 other actors who are playing Special Force Commandos in the film. We all used to get together every day on the ground for about 4 hours, and it was very, very tough, from warming up with 30 rounds on the ground to doing those physical exercises, to crawling, to jumping, to doing all of that with weights. Then came the military training of it, getting to learn the formations, getting to learn how to use the arms and ammunitions. Then because they have a very specific style of conducting an operation. They work in stealth mode, so there's no talks going on when they are in the middle of an operation. It's all isharas. It's all, they know if I have taken a position, they know what that means, and uske basis pe the entire team takes a position. So all of that happens. Special forces mein, it's always buddy pairing. It's always even number of people that go on a mission. कभी भी 7, 9, 11 नहीं जाएंगे, 8, 10, 14, 16 ऐसे ही जाएंगे. इस केस में सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक में 20 की 4 टोली गई थी. So it's always because जब भी एक कमांडो चल रहा होता है तो ही इज बैक्ड बाय अनदर कमांडो जो उसके पीठ के साथ जुड़ा होता है. सो वन बॉडी हैज अ 360 डिग्री विजन जो एक्टिव रहता है पूरी टाइम, एंड दे वर्क बैक टू बैक. वो बैक नहीं छोड़ते एक दूसरे का. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट वाज इनकॉर्पोरेटेड. We got to train by the Sikh regiment, which was posted in Cuff Parade military base over here. They were very sweet to get us trained in their obstacle training grounds. That's where we learned all of this. They have these dummy areas, rooms, which they treat as कि अच्छा इसमें terrorist होंगे, and you have landed here. So this is also that they taught us was slithering, which is getting down from choppers with the use of ropes. So वो करके, so they have this. अच्छा ये 100 मीटर का डिस्टेंस है, यहाँ पे आप स्लिदर करके ग्राउंड पे उतरते हैं, यहाँ से वहाँ तक पहुँचना एंड वहाँ पे सबको टर्मिनेट करना. दिस इज़ द मिशन. सो वी एक्चुअली कंडक्टेड ऑल दोज mock missions with a group of 6 people, 8 people, 10 people, where they would monitor us with the body language, with the way we are holding our guns, with the way we are communicating with each other, everything, with code languages, everything. It's very interesting, especially the hand language, this language, the finger language. It's very, very interesting. It's like how they have to say 1, 2, 3 to 10 from just one hand. Wow. It's very interesting. So this is 3 for them, but this is 6 for them. This is 8 and this is 9 and this is 10. So it's very interesting to learn all of those things. So वो सब ट्रेनिंग गई थी to understand the logistics and to tactical training जो होती है वो सीखना. So ये सब इसके अंदर था. उसके अलावा जो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ थी was to actually meet Special Force Commandos, ex-Special Force Commandos. उनके probation period कैसे थे, mentally वो कितने strong होते हैं, या जब उनके weak times आते हैं तो वो कैसे उसको handle करते हैं, या जब अगर उनको पता है आज रात को mission के लिए जाना है तो क्या उनको भूख लगती है उससे पहले वाली रात, या what do they discuss, how do they pep each other, या फिर अगर कोई नर्वस होता है तो शेयर करता है कि मैं नर्वस हूँ या नहीं शेयर करता. All of those mental state of mind before going on a mission, in the mission, after coming back from a mission. So that I got to discuss with them. So merely it was a very stimulating process. It was a very enriching process. And I used to feel tired, I used to feel battered and bruised, but at the same time so satisfied because I'm getting this opportunity to understand this life so close and so in such a personal way. I really felt it was an honor for me. I really felt lucky to be getting this opportunity.
The reason why he's getting all these accolades is because of this answer, as far as I'm concerned, because I just asked him about the preparation, the depth that he has gone into. That's what it makes
Sorry,
you what you are. Yeah. But that's what it makes you, because you go into layers. I think which is something that is coming out of your performances. That there are layers and layers of performance stuff that is coming out of your whatever you're doing, which is amazing.
Oh, one more very important thing for prep I did. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. My hair.
Acha.
You be हुआ है.
Yeah.
बलिदान.
This has happened for. Yeah.
Acha, you cut it.
Yeah. This you don't remember how long my hair was.
Yes.
I mean, everybody knows.
Right.
So Aditya, our director, he felt that we were discussing the look, and he said, I feel you should go a little short with your hair, shorter. I was like, yeah, how short? Like an inch or two. Okay, yeah, cool. But when I saw the references, it was just below my ear, and I was like, are you serious? Are you serious? So he said, yeah, and he had a logic behind it. He said, when we see you on screen, there are 2-3 things. He said, it shouldn't look like you've come with your hair and makeup and done up, and shouldn't look like a part of a vanity. Number 2, he said, I see the character look more sharper like that. You play an officer, and I don't see them having to spend too much time on their hair or the thing to make it look as authentic as possible, as sharp as possible. And thirdly, for me, he said, we've never seen you as an audience or as a filmmaker, do this kind of a look for any role. And it's not that we're doing it just for the heck of it. It absolutely makes sense. He said, I feel as a director to see you in a different look. And I absolutely agreed. Instantly, I said, okay, let's go for it. And
I think you've taken a great decision for life.
Yeah, it's for life.
Don't you think she looks
fat? Look at how invested she is in the movie.
Yeah, all of us.
बाद में ध्यान में आया, लेकिन ये है कि that detailed जवाब आप ये देखें. This is amazing. All right, so did you see the videos of the surgical strike by any chance? Did you happen to see the videos? And I think now they're also out in the public domain as well.
No, it was just a snippet that was out, which just kept getting repeated.
Which is on the news also. I think a little
वो एक ही blast को वो loop पे वही चल रहा था, जो समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या.
I don't think any of us have or can watch it. It's classified.
It is classified, and I think Aditya and Ronnie sir have had detailed conversations with the administration over there, and they have had some information as a part of their research, which have been incorporated in the film. But that we would not want to discuss it here. We would really want people to watch it in the film, because that's the story of the film. That's what they are really in store for. जो नॉवेल्टी है फिल्म की वो वही है जो हमें एज सिटीजन्स नहीं पता, वो शायद आपको फिल्म में देखने को मिले.
India Pakistan in movies. That's a quiz with Vicky Kaushal and Yami Gautam. So all right, so the request is that you need to be a bit as competitive as possible.
Yeah.
So you're winning something as well. So you're winning something as well. There's a treasure.
Okay.
All right, so the request is that please.
Acha.
Okay, so we'll start with the questions. In the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan, what was the name of Kareena Kapoor in the movie? I'll give you options: Rashi, Priya, Rasika, Shweta.
Rasika.
She's right.
I have seen the film, but मुझे याद नहीं.
Okay, all right. So we have not taken Razi, because since you are there in the movie.
Damn, I would have taken the hamper.
We've not taken Razi because of that. What was Rani Mukherjee's name in Veer Zara? I'll give you options: Sara Siddiqui, Zoya Khan, Rubina Ali, Samia Siddiqui.
Zoya, नहीं?
Samia Siddiqui.
She's right.
I was just guessing.
So it's 2-0 for Yami Gautam.
Okay.
What was Sunny Deol's name in Ghadar एक प्रेम कथा.
नाम ही पूछे जा रहे हो, नाम नहीं याद होते मुझे.
अच्छा.
I'll give you options for this.
करतार सिंह सरदार.
I'll give you options. I'll give you options. Bhuta Singh, Rana Singh, Tara Singh.
तारा सिंह. नहीं, तारा was the
Tara
son.
Singh, correct.
No,
correct,
Tara.
correct,
He's
correct,
right. He's
you're
right. He's right. So
I don't
2-1.
know Bhuta Singh.
So it's balancing out.
Oh, I know somebody Bhuta Singh. That's why maybe.
In which year was the film Border released?
9.
I'll give you options.
Okay.
96, 97, 98, 99.
97.
99.
She's right.
क्या?
97.
There's a fire I remember which broke in Delhi at that time, right?
अच्छा?
Yes.
मुझे वैसे से कुछ याद है. I was in 4th standard.
It broke in one of the theaters.
Yeah. In
Wow,
Delhi.
it broke in one theater. Many people died
That's how
as well.
sometimes I connect memory.
97.
Which class I was in?
So the score is 3-1.
3-1.
3-1.
Border is based on India-Pakistan War of the year 69, 70, 71, 72.
71.
71.
He's right.
पहले बोल दिया ना मैंने.
He's
We
right,
were almost there, but ठीक है, we'll give to
ठीक है.
He's
Score
right.
is a-
He said before. He said before you.
The score is 4-1.
3-2.
3-2.
3-2. 3-2.
Okay.
You wanted to win?
Of course I wanted to win.
Please don't say that.
No,
नहीं,
sir,
I have to
I
be
want to
competitive.
win.
Yes, please.
I want to win. Yeah. I want
Yes,
to win.
3-2.
I want
Yeah,
to
yeah,
win.
even I want
to
This is a treasure.
I
Trust
want
me.
to win. I want to win.
I will trust you.
Okay.
Totally. I will not snatch from him also.
Ji.
I promise you.
In Veer Zara, what was Shah Rukh Khan's badge number as a criminal in Pakistan jail? 9211 420 786 555.
786.
नहीं.
She's right.
सही में?
786 is what they say, na?
अरे 786 मुझे लगा बच्चन साहब का ही रहा है कूली.
No. She's winning hands down.
No, you never know. You
Okay.
just
It's 4-2. What is Sunny Deol's profession in Ghadar? I'll give you options.
Truck
truck
driver.
driver.
He said before. He said before. 4-3.
See?
4-3.
4-3. 4-3. Next one is very easy. The only thing is that how quick you can be.
Okay.
Okay, how quick he can be. I like the body language. You know, he's going for it. Lakshya is based on the Kargil War of the year 96, 97, 98,
99.
99.
कारगिल 99. ये ज़्यादा ही जल्दी हो गया.
99, yes.
99.
5-3. Okay, 5-3.
It's not a good feeling.
In the
to
film,
lose.
Tiger Zindaya occurs how many years after Ekta Tiger, as in films?
Tiger
as in
आ
the
गया
film.
था ना?
How
एक
many
second.
years have passed by?
In
how
the
many
film?
years in the film? Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10.
7,
7?
8, 9,
Just a guess.
7.
7.
When she's saying 7 and I'm not saying anything, so
10.
no, it's 8.
Oh,
It's still 5-3.
5-3.
Okay, there are 2 more to go. So I don't
Five
think that
only
you
was
have
there's two more
Yeah.
to go?
Okay.
Okay.
You can have like a redeeming sort of thing
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
can. What is Munni's real name in Bajrangi Bhaijaan?
तो नेम पे आ गए ना अभी.
Shahida.
She's right. Not even without options. Not even without
I used to do this
options.
in all the comparative exams. I used to never need options. If I knew it. If I don't know it, then Tukka was bad.
Okay, so one last try.
Okay. Come on,
For you
Vicky.
to
Come
redeem
on.
was a
Come on.
6-3.
अब क्या redeem करो?
Come on. मैं 3 सेकंड बाद बोलूंगी, ठीक है? अगर मुझे पता होगा मैं 3
अब तो
सेकंड
आप
बाद
अच्छे से जीतो.
At least the rating looks like better. Which of the following actors has a special appearance in Veer Zara? Sridevi, Aishwarya Rai, Hema Malini, Rekha.
Hema Malini.
She's right. By a handsome margin of 7-3,
Handsome margin.
Yami Gautam has
God, when will I ever win any quiz?
The interesting part is that he's saying Kargil 99. He's playing an army commando officer.
No, he just, I think, हो
97
जाता है.
बोल दिया ना मैंने.
Yeah,
99.
so which is interesting. So please, if you can hand it over to her.
ये
and
देखो.
she-
Oh, no.
Yami,
We will share.
Congratulations.
Thank you, but we'll share.
how sweet.
We'll share.
How do you
क्या है
know
इसके
it's
अंदर?
worth sharing for?
करेक्ट मुझे भी लग रहा था कि ये शेयरिंग वाली
हाँ,
गलत
नहीं,
सामान
sharing
शायद हो
वाली।
गई.
Sharing वाली चीज है.
क्या है इसमें?
It's like chocolates.
अरे वो तो बिल्कुल ही
ये
शेयरिंग
तो
वाली.
पूरी मेरे पास आएगी. ये नहीं खाएंगी.
So any victory speech that you like to give?
I like to thank God. I like to thank my family. Like to thank my manager, my team, everyone, Faridoon, and Vicky most importantly for losing
For making it so easy for me. For being so bad with names.
No, but I think she was quite quick as well. She
Very quick. मुझे
knew
तो लग रहा था
even-
सवाल भी पूरा नहीं होगा.
Even without options as well, she knew it actually. Okay, rapid fire with Vicky Kaushal. One movie of following actors you wish you were a part of.
अंधाधुन.
नाम तो सुन लीजिए. One wish of the following actors.
अब मैं full guns blazing पे हूँ. After losing. Okay, let's
Without
start
options.
again.
One movie of the following actors you wish you were a part of. Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. What was that? आना मेरे कभी हाँ कभी ना.
Salman Khan.
मैंने प्यार किया.
Akshay Kumar.
International खिलाड़ी. I was a big fan of that film when I was a
What do
kid.
you say?
Oh my! I just wanted to be Akshay Kumar in that film.
Ayushmann Khurrana.
Ayushmann Khurrana, Andhadhun.
Okay. If you could be any animal, what would it be and why?
I would be a panda.
So cute.
Why?
They are so oblivious to any stress in the world. वो अपनी जिंदगी जीते हैं, खुश रहते हैं और खुशियाँ बांटते हैं. बहुत सही लगते हैं.
What is your favorite movie quote?
Favorite movie quote? It's from Rocky. It's not. What was that? About falling and then getting up. About falling and then getting up. I'm not remembering the words, but.
We get the gist of it.
Yeah,
I think we get the
it
gist
was
of it.
that.
What is your favorite winter activity?
विंटर एक्टिविटी यार बम्बई में तो पहले तो विंटर ही नहीं समझ में आता बम्बई में बट जब भी अगर विंटर में एक्सपीरियंस करता हूँ तो हाँ कुछ गरम चाय हो मज़ा आ जाता है.
What is one thing that annoys you the most?
नो एक्चुअली आई वांट टू रिपीट माय आंसर. पंजाब में मैं जब ठंड में जाता हूँ ना मुझे रजाई में पड़े रहने का बहुत मज़ा आता है.
हाँ तो आप कहीं पर भी जहाँ पर भी आप
हाँ रजाई.
Okay, what is one thing that annoys you the most?
Fakeness in people.
If you can describe the perfect kiss in 3 words.
In 3 words, it shouldn't stop.
He's won even if there's no competition.
Manmarzi, I'm happening for sure. Okay, yes or no?
हाँ जी.
Following statement, yes or no. Have you ever fallen in love with your teacher?
Yes, पर वो एक तरफा प्यार की तुम क्या जानो.
जी जी.
हाँ.
Have you ever flirted with your girlfriend's friend?
Never.
Have you ever passed a role offered to you and regretted about it later on?
Never.
Have you ever got cheated by a girl?
I think so.
That's a very nice answer. That's such a
Really, but that's a very honest answer. I think so.
I think so. Have you ever heard girls talking about you?
That you should ask me.
Tell me.
Yes.
Quick replies in one word. Okay. One word for Ranbir Kapoor.
I love you.
Where would you go if you were invisible?
Where would I go? I would. Where would I go if I'm invisible?
No way, you should be here only.
Yeah.
Let people know you're invisible, but actually you're not.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Deep.
But where would I go if I was invisible? I don't know, man. I don't know. That's so sad. I don't know. Invisible, इतनी बड़ी power है. I've lost the rapid fire round like royally.
No, you are so far.
Good,
That one
decent.
answer. What is the one thing that you're most afraid of?
Horror films.
If you could choose your nickname, what would it be?
Nickname of Vicky. I would want my nickname to be
Vix.
No, huge.
No, not Vicky.
Then?
If you could choose any nickname for yourself.
Any nickname.
आपको जो
See, because मैंने अपने नाम इतना सुन लिया ना छोटा सा विक्की 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 इतना सुन लिया ना मुझे चाहिए कि कोई मुझे बुलाए महाराजा परमवीर ऐसा कुछ लंबा चौड़ा नाम से बुलाए. That should be my
आप
nickname.
फिल्म में कर ही रहे हो.
हाँ
वो तो फिल्म में कर ही रहे हो.
वो भी तो इतना बड़ा नाम नहीं है.
उसका आप निकनेम कर लीजिए रेफरेंस के लिए. Okay, hot or not?
Okay.
Hot or not? Dating apps,
Not.
late night chatting,
Hot.
social media trials,
Not.
reading horror novels,
Not.
trekking.
Hot.
All right, so after this stupendous rapid fire.
इतना stupendous नहीं था. I
नहीं,
could have done better.
नहीं,
That was
it was
quite long. I think I'll be very
it was
poor.
rapid fire with Yami Gautam. If you could be any flavor of any ice cream, what ice cream flavor would you be and why?
Vanilla.
Why?
Looks very ordinary, but hard to get the perfect one.
उफ. मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ आगे सवाल मत पूछो. सीधे विनर डिक्लेयर कर दो.
नहीं
ये पहला ही सवाल पे ये जवाब है तो फिर तो
आप देखिए ना, आप देखिए अभी she likes to climb the Mount Everest. This is just the beginning.
उसी बात का तो डर है. ये बिगिनिंग है.
What advice did you get? जी.
ये highest stars के
नहीं
नीचे रोल होते हैं.
यामी जी ऐसा मत कहिए, ऐसा मत. What advice did you get that was the most rewarding?
Or advice did you get? Always be the person you are.
What is one of the things you would put on your bucket list?
to be a master chef.
What is your biggest addiction?
Chai.
Have you ever tried to do something you know you would be really bad at?
Yeah.
What was it? What was it?
Cook. That's why I said master chef. Become.
Okay.
But I'm a decently good cook now.
If a movie was made on your life, what genre would it be?
What genre would it be?
Right.
That's a great question.
It would be a fantasy.
It would be a
A
fantasy.
fantasy film.
Wow. Yes or no? Following statements, yes or no. Quickly, have you ever proposed to a guy and got rejected?
No.
You proposed or you?
That's a good catch.
I never proposed.
Okay.
You've never
I
proposed?
never proposed. Like, I've never asked anyone.
So
out.
you've only been proposed to.
Huh?
हाँ, सही है.
Have you ever had an imaginary friend?
No. What does that mean?
Like just an imaginary friend.
Oh, no.
Do you believe in angels?
Yes.
Have you ever imitated your teachers in front of your friends?
Of course.
Of course. Have you ever been stalked by a hot guy in your college?
No, he wouldn't be hot anymore if I know he's stalking me.
Quick replies in one word, please. What is your favorite hobby?
Cooking.
Really?
I like cooking.
One word for Vicky Kaushal.
Real.
Strangest thing that you've ever eaten?
Something on those Bangkok street.
Okay. A book you can read over and over again?
Any Enid Blyton books.
First thing you grab for in the morning?
Lemon water with honey and parallelly methi seed water.
One thing you think people notice most about you?
Smile. Smile, maybe.
What do you really mean by the dialogue, तेरे अखरोट तेरे मुंह से बाहर निकाल दूंगी?
That's a
I've
great
lost
question.
it.
That's an amazing. I want to lose. That's a great question.
What is the अखरोट in that?
I lost it.
That's a fabulous question.
देखो काफी लोग अखरोट मुंह से तोड़ते हैं ठीक है ओके मैं नहीं चाहती कि आप अपने दांत खराब करें
Right.
तो आप अखरोट मुंह से बाहर निकाल दीजिए वरना मैं निकाल दूंगी बेसिकली आई एम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ यू
Oh. No, don't bring me into this, please. I know what अखरोट means. Please don't bring me into this.
that's what I'm saying.
All right.
I want to give you a hamper for that question. Faridun.
Hot or not? Horror films?
Hot.
Gossiping?
Not.
Smoking?
Not.
Six-pack abs?
Not.
Vicky Kaushal?
Hot.
Skydiving?
Hot.
All right. Thank you very much, Yami Gautam. It was wonderful.
Great set of questions, man.
Right. So
Great set of questions.
I'm glad that you guys.
We would have never
Yeah, why
expected
do you
that
ask that
question.
question?
Never
I
expected
know
that question.
answer, good answer. Hi, this is Yami Gautam,
Hi, this is Vicky Kaushal.
and you're watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.